Mercedes-Maybach didn't whisper its return to open-top luxury, it put on a full show. Revealed as the SL 680 Monogram Series, the new Maybach SL dresses the two-seat SL Roadster in ultra-luxury touches and bespoke details meant to separate it from the rest of the SL family. Think less hot rod AMG and more haute couture on wheels. The Maybach version leans hard into exclusivity, from its monogrammed surfaces to a chassis tuned for a softer, quieter ride. Under the sculpted hood sits a familiar but thoroughly civilized power plant, a twin-turbo V8 that delivers healthy horsepower. The SL 680 name implies the high-output V8 pedigree shared with AMG relatives, but Mercedes-Maybach's engineers treated the drivetrain and exhaust with a different brief, quieter, smoother, and more refined rather than aggressively sporty, so the car feels more like a dignified grand tourer than a track toy. Complementing the engine are suspension and NVH changes crafted to prioritize composure and cosseting comfort over razor-sharp handling. Visually, the Monogram series is unabashedly decadent. The hood and lower fascia carry a repeating Maybach motif applied using a pixel paint technique that's almost like industrial inkjet printing, and chrome and bright work are used liberally around the grille, windscreen, and trim. Buyers initially get a strict two-scheme palette, a garnet red with white interior or a matte moonlight white magno finish, each paired with carefully chosen wheels and badging that read like the brand's signature. It's deliberate signaling. This isn't just another SL, it's a Maybach statement piece. Step inside and the theme continues. The cabin is treated as a private salon, with lavish Napa leathers, contrasting textiles, and an attention to detail that includes embossed Maybach patterns and unique trim treatments. Maybach has also emphasized comfort tech. Think enhanced sound insulation, massage seats, and curated ambient lighting. Features meant to pamper occupants rather than flummox them with sport-focused gadgetry. It's a retreat built around luxurious materials and a hushed experience. Practical bits are kept in check. The SL's two-seat layout remains, and despite the grandeur, Maybach hasn't positioned this as a limited-run oddity. Mercedes indicates the model will reach the U.S. market in the 2025 to 2026 timeframe, and while exact pricing hasn't been pinned down, expect a lofty number well north of six figures, a price that matches its bespoke finishes and prestige. Options are intentionally curated rather than endless, reinforcing the idea that the Monogram series is as much about curated taste as it is about automotive luxury. So what does the Maybach SL mean for buyers and for Mercedes? It signals that the Maybach sub-brand is willing to expand beyond sedans and SUVs into more experiential luxury, drop tops that are equal parts performance architecture and fashion accessory. For those who want an SL that whispers status instead of shouting speed, the SL 680 Monogram series looks like a persuasive proposition, a distinctly dressed roadster that trades scrappy sportiness for handcrafted indulgence.